Good morning. I am Purnima and I welcome you to my English class. Student, how are you? And children, I am going to teach you the same topic, that is conjunction. And children, I've already told you that what is a conjunction, what are the two types of conjunctions are there. And children, today I would like to tell you uses of various conjunction. Okay. So first of all, children, a conjunction is a word. What is a conjunction? It is a word which is used to join. Conjunction is a word. Okay. It is used to join words. It is used to join either two words or group of words or sentences. So children, what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words or sentences. Children, for example, I helped him because he was needy. Now children, here there are two groups of words. I helped him because he was needy. Now children, I helped him is one group of word. He was needy is another group of word. And children, it is joined by the conjunction because. It is joined by the conjunction because. Okay. So John and David are good friends. So children, here John and David, these two words are joined by the word and. John and David, these two words are joined by and. Okay. So these two words are, when these two words are joined by which word? And. So and is a conjunction. Okay. Now children, I have told you how many types of conjunction are there. So there are two types of conjunction. One is coordinating conjunction and the other is subordinating conjunction. You can see one is coordinating conjunction and the other is subordinating conjunction. Okay. So children, what is a coordinating conjunction, that I will be telling you, and then I will tell you what is a subordinating conjunction. Now children, when. So student, I will be telling you that what is a coordinating conjunction. Now children, when two sentences are there of equal rank or equal order. Okay. What do you mean by equal rank or equal order? Like children, I will be giving you one example. The sun rises in the east, and the other sentence is the sun sets in the west. Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. So children, these two sentences are of equal rank, or you can say these two sentences are of equal order. So the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now children, these two sentences of equal order, children, it is joined by one word. And what is that word? And. The sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. So these two sentences are joined by a word. Okay. And what is that word? It is and. So children, these two words, when a group of words or when two sentences are of equal rank or of equal order, and children, when they join, okay, together, then they are what they are? They are, children, when the word which joins them, then that word is a coordinating conjunction. Okay. Like children, two more sentences I will be telling you which is of the same rank. Like Nidhi loves noodles. Nidhi loves noodles. Her sister loves chocolate. Now you can see children, Nidhi loves noodles and her sister loves chocolates. So these two sentences, when I am telling you, you can see that these two sentences are of equal rank. Okay. Now these two sentences, children, when these two sentences are of equal rank, and they are what? That this is joined by the word but. Like children, when I will use the word, then what would be the full sentence? Nidhi loves noodle, but her sister loves chocolate. But her sister loves chocolates. Okay, so you can see the two sentence of the same order or the two sentence of the same rank when they are joined by which word they are joined by the word but. So this but is a coordinating conjunction. Okay, now children, I will be telling you about subordinate or ordinating conjunction. Now what is a subordinating conjunction, children? When we join two sentences of unequal rank or order. We join two sentences of unequal rank or order, then children, one of the two is dependent upon other. Okay, first of all, children, you must understand two types of sentences are. What are two types of sentence I am talking to you? Children, one is dependent sentence and other is subordinate sentence. Now children, if I will take two sentences and when they are joined by one word, listen to me please. Like I am taking, I could not go to school. I could not go to school. Now children, when we were, because I could not go to school because I was ill. Now children, in this there are two groups of sentences are here in this sentence. First group is that I could not go to school. First sentence is that I could not go to school. Okay, because I was ill. Because I was ill. Now children, first group is that I could not go to school. This is the first group of sentence, and if you will read this sentence, you will come to know that it is fully dependent. It will not dependent on any other sentences. But if I will say because I was ill, because I was ill, so children, you can see because I was ill, it seems to us that it is incomplete sentence. It will depend on other. So this sentence is known as subordinate. Okay, so when the two is dependent upon, so children, it joins a two different types of order of sentence. Okay, when these two different words order when two different types of sentence are joined by one word, so that is known as subordinating conjunction. Okay, now children, last time in my previous video I have told you about different type of children conjunction. Conjunction is also known by the name of a joining word. Okay, because children, it joins either two words or two clauses or a pair of sentence or a group of words. So conjunction always join two types of words. So children, this is also known by the name of a joining word. Now I was telling you, children, different type of conjunction, different categories of conjunction I would like to tell you. Like children, result. When result will be there. Now children, I was telling you different type of sentence like condition. If the category of conjunction is condition, then I told you in case, unless, provided that, if, this all will be there. I also told you that if time will be there, then what type of sentence conjunction we will use in time with time. Since, till, while, after, children, as long as, when, before, until. Okay, so these are some of the condition related to conjunction related with time. Reason, because, as, therefore, for, since, these are some of the conjunction related with reason. And children, I told you about contrast. Contrast, however, while, through, still, but, yet, whereas, nevertheless. And you have to learn this, children. Without learning, you won't be able to know that which tense conjunction is there related with condition or time or reason. Okay. And contrast also I told you, however, while, through, still, but, yet, whereas. Okay. Today I will be telling you about result. So children, result is there. In result we are using that, so that, and consequently. So with result we are using that, so what, consequently. Then we will come to children purpose. In purpose we are using so that, because, therefore, that, lest. Okay. So these are, then children, manner is also there. In manner we are using thus, though, as if, as. Manner also I have told in my previous video. Okay. Now children, one conjunction is related with comparison, and in that, then or as will be there. Then or as will be there. Okay. So these are the children different type of conjunction I have told you. Now in today's video I will be telling you the uses of some of the conjunction. Now student, I will be telling you, as you can see on the board, uses of conjunctions. Okay. There are so many conjunction, and children, if you will not know that how these conjunctions are used, then children, you won't be able to know the use of those conjunction when you will write or when you will speak something. So children, first conjunction which I have taken is a very common conjunction, and that is and. A and D. That is and. Now children, conjunction, it only add one statement. This conjunction add one statement or fact to another statement or fact. Like, the weather was fine. This is one statement. The sea was calm. The weather was fine and the sea was calm. So you can see here that one statement is joined with the another statement. Okay. Then the door was open and my things were lying scattered. So children, here it is another statement. The door was open and my things were lying scattered. So children, here also the two children, what to say, two statement of the same order are joined. Now children, sometimes children, two words are also joined by the conjunction and, like, two and two makes four. So here what are the two words? What are the two words? It is two and two joined by the conjunction and. Two and two. Okay. Ram and Shyam are brothers. Ram and Shyam are brothers. So here children, one word is Ram and the other word is Shyam, and children, they are brothers. Ram and Shyam are brothers. Okay. Now but the train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seats. The train was fully packed, but we got. Now I will be telling you the use of children. But, okay, and but children express opposition or contrast. But expresses opposition or contrast. Okay, like children, the train was fully packed. The train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seat. So you can see two statements are just opposite with each other. Train are fully packed, okay, but they also they got comfortable seat. So don't you think children, these two statements are fully they are contrast, they are opposing each other? Yes. So children, you can say the earthquake was quite severe, but the temple was not damaged. The earthquake was quite severe, but the temple was not damaged. Now children, here also you can use what? You can children, here you can use children what? Here you can see there are two sentences which are opposing each other. Which are opposing each other. Now children, we will use otherwise. I will be telling you the use of otherwise. Run fast, you will not win the trophy. No, run fast, otherwise you will not win the trophy. Run fast, otherwise you will not win the trophy. Okay, so you can see here children how we are using otherwise. Children, or can also be used here. Run fast or you will not get the trophy. Run fast or you will not get the trophy. Now children, I will be telling you about unless. Okay. And now I will be telling you about unless. Unless you study well, you will not pass. Unless you will study well, you will not pass. Okay. And one more sentence. I won't let you in. I won't let you go from here unless you give me some tips to stay healthy. Okay. Reason. Here it is expressing reason. I won't let you go from here unless you give me some tips to stay healthy. Okay. So you can see here reason is used here. Now children, this is also there, therefore and so. So children, therefore and so is also used with the reason. Okay. I'm going to give you the example. I have a headache, therefore I cannot go to play. I have a headache and then I cannot go to play. And children, similarly, even so is there. So also we can use with the reason. I have a headache, so I cannot go to play. So both are correct. I have a headache, therefore I cannot go to play. The two sentences are joined by the word therefore, and therefore is a it will come under the category of reason. And children, the same thing. I have a headache, so I cannot go to play. Okay. So few more uses of some of the sentences I will be telling you. So children, few more uses of the words conjunction I will be telling you. One is because, and since these are both, this will come under the category of reason. Okay, and I would be like to telling you the use of this children. Because he could not attend the meeting. There are two sentences are there. He could not attend the meeting. He was ill. So these are two separate sentences are there. So and this will be joined by the word because. What is a conjunction here? Because. He could not attend the meeting because he was ill. So children, you can see in this type of sentences, conjunction of reason is we are applying here conjunction of reason. Now you can say also, since he was ill, he could not attend the meeting. Since he was ill, he could not attend the meeting. So here also children, we can say that this is also will come under the category of conjunction of reason. Okay. And now I will be telling you conjunction as well as, uses of as well as. Now, my mother purchased book, my mother purchased copy. So children, here the joining word is as well as, and it is joining two types of sentence which are of the same order. So you can see one sentence is my mother purchased books. Okay, and the other is my mother purchased copies. So children, my mother purchased books, as well as copies. So don't you feel, children, that these two sentences are of the same order and it is joined by the conjunction as well as. All right. Now children, I will be telling you the uses of whereas and while. Whereas and while. Children, whereas and while. While will come with contrast also. Okay. And children, while will come with the it is also related with conjunction of time as well as conjunction of contrast. Okay. And then I've told you this also, whereas. So first I will be telling you about the conjunction whereas. All right. Now children, whereas will also come under contrast. Contrast means children opposite nature. Like children, Rama was of cool nature. Rama is a person who is of a cool nature, and Lakshman was aggressive, and Lakshman is having just opposite. Their children, they are opposite of each other. So Rama was of cool nature and Lakshman was aggressive. Okay. So children, here it is joined by Rama was of cool nature, whereas or while also, children. You can use both the conjunction here, whereas Lakshman was aggressive. Whereas Lakshman was aggressive. Now either or. Either or, children. Children, either or. I told you this is a conjunction related with choice. Either or, neither nor. Okay. So this is a conjunction related with choice. Okay. So either or, neither nor. So these two conjunction are, children, either or and neither nor. It is related the conjunction of what it is relating. It is relating conjunction of choice. Be quiet, go outside. Either keep quiet or go outside. Be quiet or go outside. So children, here the correct one will be either keep quiet or go outside. So either keep quiet or go outside, children. Similarly, we can say neither nor. He is not helpful. There are two sentences are there. He is not helpful and he is not reliable. He is neither helpful nor reliable. He is neither helpful nor reliable. Okay. So children, these are few sentences which is related with choice. Okay. So children, I have told you the use of and, but, or, otherwise, unless, therefore, so, because, since, as well as, whereas, while, either or, neither nor. So this much uses we have, children, done. Now one very common conjunction is there and which is often used by us. It is though, although and still. Though, although and still. Okay. And let me write for you, and let me tell you, though, although and still will be there for with the conjunction of concession. Though, although and still. Though, although and still. Though, although and still. Okay. So children, you can see that now I will be telling you the uses of though and although and still. Now children, he was not selected, he worked day and night. Okay, so these two sentences are there. He was not selected, he worked day and night. So children, there it will be, he was not selected though he worked day and night. He was not selected though he worked day and night. Then children, the other sentence is also there. We can also use although in such type of sentences, but children, although will come in the beginning only. Although he worked day and night, he was not selected. Although he worked day and night, he was not selected. Okay, then children, I will be telling you the use of still. I will be telling you the use of still. He worked day and night, still he was not selected. He worked day and night, still he was not selected. So children, these are some of the use of the conjunctions. Okay. Now children, I will be telling you some of the conjunction which always come in pair. As you can see on the board, I have written also. First is both and the second is not only but also. Not only but also. So these are some of the children conjunction which comes in pair. Like, she is both intelligent and hard working. She is both intelligent and hard working. Okay, so you can see children, here this is coming in pair. Okay, then Neeraj gave me both books and notes. Neeraj gave me both books and notes. All right, then children, the other one I am taking, not only but also. Not only but also. B should be here with the small letter. But also. But also. So children, the two words are, he was not only fined but also imprisoned. He was not only scolded but was being beaten. So the train was not only late, the train was not only late, but children, I will be, the train was not only late but also fully packed. Okay, the train was not only late but was fully packed. Now I will be telling you few more uses of as well as, like children, he as well as his father is dishonest. Okay, so two sentences are there and it is being connected by as well as. So the first sentence, he is dishonest, and the second sentence is his father is dishonest. So how you will say, he as well as his father is dishonest. Now, nevertheless, children, this is also a conjunction. Okay, nevertheless. So children, one is nevertheless. Nevertheless, children, this conjunction will come in the category of contrast. Okay, this conjunction will come under the category of contrast. We were very tired, nevertheless we continued the work. We were very tired, nevertheless we continued the work. Okay, so you can see children how this sentence is coming in the contrast. Now one more sentence, I am hard up, nevertheless I will give you some money. I am hard up means children, this is a phrase. Okay, and here it means shorten of. That means I myself is having a shortage of money, but then also I will lend you. So I am hard up, nevertheless I will give you some money. Okay, so children, here I have used some of the I've told you about some of the use of conjunction. Tomorrow also, in my next video also, I will be continuing telling the other uses of the conjunction, student. And with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.